Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. In this room today, where we ended yesterday, I believe, just starting this room. So finished these home runs and then also finished a few other things, but mainly just this room today, a shorter day. Got all the home runs, had to mount all the clips with Nick. Actually had to switch these clips. Anyways, got the wires running down over here, through the kitchen, going down the wall over here. I just set all of them up, swung them all over there to get them off the floor while I was sweeping all the sheetrock dust up. But anyways, other than that, moved everything down here to the next room, which we'll be working on, and then finished. I think those panels were already hung yesterday. I did finish this last panel here on the left, right here. Hung this panel here in the morning on the right side, and then I just dropped this wire in right here. So basically, like I was saying yesterday, you want to leave this wire all tight together like this, the way that it comes, because if it gets spread out at all, or the ground starts to unravel like this, whatnot, if the ground starts to unravel like that, it's impossible if it's not together, pretty impossible to fit it down this hole with the wires overlapping like this through this hole right here in the 2-screw connector. So you got to leave it tight because there's no room extra right there. And then over here, as I was stripping this wire over here, I nicked the wire, so I had to cut it off because that probably would have been bad if I left it. So right now the wire is short, it's not going to make it down to the breaker. I didn't leave any extra in the wire, which is bad because there was extra 2 feet that I had to cut off and waste. So always leave extra, always kind of push it back up, and then you can have like a nice little loop, which I have been doing, but not on this one. I just decided to cut it short, and this is the one time that I nicked the wire. So I'll probably have to grind another hole over here as soon as I can, and then angle it, and then probably cut another hole in the stud right here and get the last 7 or 8 inches down to here. I'm not too worried about it. Worst case, I can maybe pull some out of the hallway or whatnot. Worst case, but I think I can get it if I just cut a new hole over here, and then over here I can probably angle it, straighten it back out, and go in. That's my plan, so I'll worry about that on Monday, but I'm not too concerned. So anyways, I did cut it again up here, and as you can see, I didn't damage it this time. So there was a really clear cut in the wire, and it went in a little bit. You could see the wire being cut, so going to just redo that on Monday, and that should do it. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend. Got some overtime in. Did like 7.5 hours today, 9.5 hours the rest of the week, so whatever that adds up to, I think it's like 55 and a half, or not 55, 45 and a half hours or something like that. So I was gonna work till like 2:30, but I think they're shutting the job site down right now, so I'm just getting out the door, going to go grab my stuff downstairs, and then call it a day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will catch you in the car. All right, everyone, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. The channel's grown so much in the last 2-3 weeks. It's just going really great, and I just want to say thank you once again. I know I say that a lot, but I really do appreciate it each and every day. Each and every one of you stopping back by, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to drop a like on the video. It'll help me out, help the channel out, help more people know about electrical that might want to know something about electrical, or are considering the option as a career. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description for anything else like social media, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have an awesome weekend. Stay safe. God bless. Peace out.